This is a review for the 2-pack of LED headlamps from LE Lighting Ever. Here's one of them. They're identical and it comes with a charging cord. You charge it right here. The charge lasts about 15 hours, so it's great for camping. Now, when you wear this, you can adjust the head strap, and I love it because the head strap is so large that it doesn't get caught in your hair. It's very comfortable, and when you're wearing it, it also tilts down or straight up when you're walking. This light has 6 different lights features here. So we have the direct beam, low and high, and then you click it again, and it has the flood low and high, and you click it another time and it goes off. That's for the right button. Then you have a left button, and when you click on that one, you have the red light. And if you click it again, you get the red and green blinking lights. Great for being seen in the dark or biking, whatnot. So here is the direct low, direct high, flood low, flood high, and then the red light, and then the red and green blinking light. I've shopped a lot for these lights, and I wanted something affordable for my kids, but that was also long lasting, and that I didn't have to get batteries for. So these were a great deal, a 2-pack, and the value for them is fantastic. I compared it to my higher end headlamp from Petzl, and they are very comparable. And the price doesn't come close. Like, these are such a great deal for a great lamp. I do love these for the kids. I highly recommend them.
If you are interested in this product, check out my Amazon link in the description below. Also, like and subscribe if you'd like to see more of these review videos. And also let me know in the comments what videos you would like to see next. Thanks for watching.